Hello students. In my previous lecture, I discussed worksheet 1 of chapter 8. Today we will solve brain teasers. First question A part are multiple choice question. You will try to solve that question yourself. I am solving first question B part. Answer the following questions. Give two examples of objects having curved surface. We can say ball, globe, pencil, cylinder, and so many. I have written only two. 4 points ABCD lie on a same line. What are these points called? If 4 points lie on the same line, then the points are known as collinear points. Can you draw a line on the surface of a sphere completely lying on it? Is it possible you have a ball and you want to draw a line completely on it? No, it's not possible because the surface is curved. Now D part. Give one example of parallel and intersecting line segment from your environment. Parallel lines. We can say railway track, and in case of intersecting line, what can we say? Blades of fan or scissors. Blades of scissors is also an example. If two lines M and N cut at a point X, what is point X called? If two lines are there, suppose they are cutting at point X, then what is point X known as? Point of intersection. Now question number 2 and 3 are simple questions you will do yourself. I am discussing question number 4. With the help of a figure, find the maximum and minimum number of points of intersection of three lines in a plane. I have three lines, 1, 2 and 3. These are intersecting with each other at three different points, and this is the case of maximum number of intersections. Now if I take my three lines in this way, now the lines are parallel to each other, they are not intersecting, so the minimum number of points will be 0. Fine. Now question number 5 is true false and 6 is fill-ups. You will do that yourself. It's your homework to complete the brain teasers of chapter 8. I am showing you the pick of questions of brain teasers. Like question 1, these are multiple choice question. You will do yourself. A dash extends endlessly in all direction, that is plain. Which of the following is different from other? Ball, orange, globe and sticker. Sticker is the different one because its surface is plain, rest all are curved. Three or more lines which are passing through the same point, they are known as concurrent lines. Opposite sides of classroom blackboard represents parallel line segments. Dashed lines can pass through one given point, that is only through one point many lines can pass. Okay, now in question number 2, some points are given. You are to name all the set of collinear points. You will join these and these. Okay, PRS and QST can be the part of a line. It means these lines are points are collinear points. Fine. Now question number 5 is true false. Please try to do these questions yourself. I am showing you the pic. Then the question number 6 is fill in the blanks given below. Simple questions are there. Complete brain teasers of chapter 8 now. Thank you.